Okay, Chloe and Zoe.
Oh!
All right, go ahead, Chloe.
Can I actually throw it?
Why don't you bring it over like you did before? Dumb dog.
Dumb.
Why are you following me?
Don't follow me!
Chloe, put it in the leaves. Oh my gosh. Watch out, Chloe. Watch out. Put it back in. Somebody put it in the high part.
No, Shannon, that's because...
Oh! Just drop it in. Zoe, ready? Zoe. Zoe. Go get it, Zoe. Wait, let her get it. Let her get it. Oh my gosh, where's Daddy? Tell Daddy to come.
Dad!
Zoe, go get it, Zoe.
Okay. Should I help her?
Call her.
Zoe!
Zoe, come here. Over here, Zoe. Get your ball. Yeah, it's in there somewhere.
I got it.
All right, well, now show her. Now put it back in there. Go get it, Zoe. Go get it. Go get it.
Hello, hello, hello. Debbie, now let me do it. Debbie, let me try. Zoe!
Look at how cute she is. She's diving. I don't even know where her head's gonna pop up.
Daddy, her ball.
I know, it went over the fence. I saw. We have to go knock on the neighbors. She thinks it's still in the pile. Mike, look at her. The ball's not even in there. She's stupid.
Where the girls going?
The ball, they threw it over the fence. Look at her just jump in. It's hysterical. It's a baby, Zoe, the baby. Zoe, where's a good girl? Where's my little Shih Tzu?